Māui and the Eternal Flame, a story of sustainable energy. In the heart of ancient Polynesia, Māui is known for his cunning ways and ultimate strength. The sun, wind, and the waves gave his people all they needed. But one day, Māui realized that as his people grew in number, they would need more energy. More than the wind could blow or the sun could shine in a day. They needed a new way to harness the earth's power, something steady, something enduring. Māui looked to the burning flame of the fire and was curious to know where it came from. Understanding that his people needed fire for warmth, to cook food, and to shape tools, but it was fleeting and the fire needed constant feeding, or it would die. If his people were to prosper for generations, they needed a way to keep the fire alive without burning away the precious resources. One night, under a sky full of stars, Māui journeyed deep into the earth to seek Mahuika with her burning fingertips. Māui sought the secret to make the fire eternal, to make it sustainable. He knew he could not simply take from the goddess as before. This time, he had to strike a balance between the needs of his people and the health of the earth. Mahuika greeted Māui with eyes that blazed like the sun itself. "What do you seek, Māui?" she asked, her voice crackling like a burning log. She gave Māui one of her burning fingernails to relight the fires, but Māui extinguished the fingernail. After Māui took every fingernail, Mahuika became very angry and sent fire to pursue Māui. Mahuika threw her last nail at Māui, but it missed him and flew into some trees, including the maho and the kaikomako branches. Māui brought back dry sticks of these trees to his village and showed his people how to rub these sticks together and make fire. Māui's people lived in harmony with the earth, drawing their energy from the eternal source without depleting the land. Their fires burned bright, but never too hot, and their children and grandchildren knew the warmth of the flame without fear of its destruction. Māui watched over them, proud of what they had built together. His people had found the secret to eternal energy, not through greed or force, but through balance and respect for the world around them. And in doing so, they ensured that the fire would burn brightly for all the generations to come. So, the legend of Māui's sustainable fire spread across the land, a reminder that true power comes not from taking, but from learning to live in harmony with the gifts of the earth.